Okay, welcome to the Window and Help menu modules. Previously, we've covered the File, View, Insert, Charts, and Tools menu, and we'll start now with Window. We'll see the first order of business here is New Window. When we click on this, a list of available Forex pairs is going to pop up, and there we have one that we're going to choose as default, and we'll just click that. The standard chart pops up here, bar chart. And of course, if we wanted to modify that, we go down to our handy templates and we simply change it to any of the templates that we have there. Next order of business is Cascade. And this is what this looks like. If you want to tab this way and take a look at each of the charts in this fashion, you've got an opportunity to do so. Next is tile horizontally, tile vertically, and you'll see with 4 charts it looks pretty much the same. When you take one or the other chart out, that changes things there. Arrange icons, it's pretty much doing the same as these here are doing. And when you click on any of these items listed here, it immediately goes to the chart. See that again. Highlights the 1 hour, highlights the daily, highlights the 4 hour, and highlights the weekly over here, as you can see. Okay. And the window menu is pretty straightforward, pretty intuitive and self-explanatory, easy to handle. The help menu gives you access to all kinds of information. Basically, a lot of the information that we've covered here and some additional information as well. The community menu right here, the community item, will take you to a place where you can discuss MetaTrader with other traders. This is very, very handy as well. And the About will allow you to see the version of MetaTrader that you're currently using, etc. And that covers the Window and Help menu. Thank you much.